Why do we travel? Is it to see new things or to try new things? Is it to go back centuries or to be in the moment? Is it to take pictures or to take action? We travel to see the works of sculptors and painters to imitate their techniques. We travel to meet bakers and chefs to saute in their kitchens and taste tradition-rich recipes. We travel to meet vintners and brewers to sip their divine secrets. We go out into the world to forge new paths and to discover old ones. We follow sweet aromas, alluring fragrances, and even mix some bouquets of our own. We pedal, paddle, and paint. We trek, taste, and tailor our experiences to transform us into better versions of ourselves. We journey to examine and explore, to listen and learn, and to engage and enjoy with hands-on and hands-off. We travel to walk in the footsteps of all who have come before us, warriors and soldiers, emperors and kings, sailors and sirens, architects and builders, none of whom were ever bystanders. So when we travel, why should we be? Immerse yourself in the world. Move and be moved. Activate your mind, heart, and body on an active and discovery cruise exclusively from Avalon Waterways.